Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just got an email pointing to this article on swl.ing, and it's about portable digital receivers that don't mute between frequency steps as you're tuning. I call it muting while tuning, and I do not like that. And so this article points out some of the ones that do, like these right here. They make a chugging sound, which drives me nuts. I don't have either one of those, but I have many others that do. And then down here, it points out ones that don't do this. So, for instance, the Texan, 600, 660, 680. 680 is one of my favorite radios. And then the higher end DSP radios like the PL880, the 990, and the H-501X, which I love the 501X. So this is a great article. Check it out, swling.com. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that'd be a nice thing to do. And have a great day. Bye-bye.